Hello my dear ones, good morning and welcome back on our school YouTube platform. I Pawan Chaudhary, your math teacher in front of you with the lecture for grade 5th. Okay, and here we are in the chapter number 3rd, that is operation on large numbers. In this chapter today, before starting our exercise, that is 3.5, we are going to discuss an important formula, okay, which helps to solve the questions in exercise 3.5. Okay, suppose a question is there in which all the operations are there. It means multiplication, division, addition and subtraction, brackets are also there. Then how we solve that type of question, that we are going to discuss in today's lecture. Okay, so first of all, if the more number of operations are there, then which operation we perform in the starting, okay, and the serial of that operations, that also depend on the formula of that is of BODMAS. Which formula? That is BODMAS formula. Okay, first of all, the mean, that is B stand for the brackets. B stand for the brackets. Okay, B stand for the bracket. If a question is there in which brackets are also there, in which bracket are also there, then means first of all you have to solve that bracket. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to solve that bracket also. Okay, next thing is that O means off. O stand for off, means first of all you have to off all the brackets. You solve all the brackets which are in the question. Okay, then after removing the bracket, then after what you have to do, you have to divide. You have to divide the number. If division is there, and division, multiplication, addition and subtraction are there, then first of all you have to divide that number. Okay, then after multiplication. After division, what you have to do, you have to multiply the number, multiplication. Then after addition, at the end what you have to do, you have to subtract the number, subtraction. Okay, you follow these. What you have to do, first of you have to off all the brackets. First you solve that bracket in the question, then after divide, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, B stand for the bracket, O stand for the off, D means divide, and M stand for the multiplication, A stand for the addition and S for the subtraction. So you learn that this formula, that is the BODMAS formula. Which formula? That is the BODMAS formula. Okay, now let's start the question based on this formula. Okay, so let's start. Question number first, exercise 3.5. Exercise 3.5. See the question number 1. Question number 1, A part. Question number first, part A. That is square bracket 60 divided by 6 plus 14 minus 5 multiply by 25. Okay, so this is the question in which addition, subtraction, division and multiplication all are there. So first what you have to do, according to BODMAS rule, first you have to solve the bracket. Okay, you solve the bracket. So let's start. Solution: 60 divided by, first you solve the innermost bracket. Okay, innermost small bracket first you have to solve. 14 minus 5, 14 minus 5. First you have solved this one. Okay, 14 minus 5. What is the result? 9. What is the result? 9. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to, first what you have to do, you have to solve this bracket, you have to remove the small bracket. Okay, now see the next step. 60 divided by, okay, now you solve this bracket. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 multiply by 25. Now see 60 divided by 15. When you divide 60 by 15, what you got? 15 4 ja 60. Multiply by 25. 25 4 ja 100. This is your answer. Like this you have to solve the question. Okay, now see the second question. That is question number B. See the B part. $75 minus 20 plus 5 multiply by 10 divided by 25. Okay. Now see the solution of the B part. 75 minus, first you solve this bracket. Okay, you remove this bracket. 20 plus 5, 25. Multiply by 10 divided by 20. The remaining things you have note down as it is. Okay, now see the second one, second part. Now you solve this bracket. Okay, now see here 75 minus 25, you have to subtract here it is 50. Multiply by 10 divided by 25. What we have to do here? We have solved 75 minus 25. You have to subtract 25 minus 75. What's the result? That is 50. Remaining things you have note down as it is. Okay. Now see, when 50 multiply by 10, what you got? That is 500 divided by 25. 500 divided by 25. What is the result? 20. 20 is the answer. Like this you have to solve the questions. Okay. In the remaining part, try to solve the questions yourself. Okay. And in the next lecture, we are going to discuss the remaining question. We are going to discuss here in the online class all questions from exercise 3.5. So before this, what you have to do? You have to solve the rough questions in rough notebook, and when I solved here the next question, then you tally your questions where you made the mistakes. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Take care, beta. Bye.